Hello and welcome to today's video. Now, a while ago I had an issue with my mower. It was caused by something really bizarre, so I thought I'd share it in the slim chance it may help someone. So the mower would start, but after a few minutes it would cut out. When I tried to start it again, it wouldn't. But after some tinkering, I got it going, only for it to cut out again after a few minutes. So this would just repeat. So I tried the usual troubleshooting, replaced the spark plug, checked the fuel hose, cleaned the air filter, the governor arm, even went so far as to clean out the carburetor and replace the needle inside it. I watched lots and lots of YouTube videos. Unfortunately, they didn't resolve the problem. Now, most of the videos I watched, they pretty much stop at the carburetor, which on my engine sits around here. So this is the front of the engine. It's a Briggs & Stratton, and the top casing has been removed. And you have the air filter here. So I decided to remove this pipe, which connects from the carburetor to the engine block. Now I think it's called a manifold, but I might be mistaken. I'll show you in the next photo what it looks like when it's removed. Here it is here. Okay. So this part here sits over this chamber. So there is a valve in here with some piston action, which I guess you got the petrol air filter mixture coming through into this chamber, and I assume it would push it down to the spark plug and probably throughout the whole engine. Okay. What I found were 3 stones, little pebble things in here. So as the mower starts, at some point the stones move into a position which block this valve from moving, so the engine cuts out. Then when I try to start it again, it won't start because they're still in that position. But once I fiddled with the mower, I might have tilted it, and they moved, they dislodged, so it would run for a little bit, but eventually they would move back into a position and block that mechanism. So once I removed those little pebbles and reassembled it, issue resolved. So here is that chamber, and where my finger is where the spark plug goes. There's a direct connection between the two. I'll just zoom in so you can have a better look at this valve there. Okay, and here on the next photo are the culprits. They look like gravel out of a fish tank. It's not natural stone because they do have some sort of cutout here and here. Not sure if you can see them that well. But anyway, something really bizarre. I have no idea how they got in there. Anyway, hopefully this helps someone. Thank you for watching. If you did find it useful or interesting, please hit that like button, and I'll catch you on the next video.